the attention of the Edo State government has been drawn to the groundswell of misinformation regarding the court case involving our revered monarch, His Royal Majesty, Omonumba Nendo Wakolo Obayewa II, the Oba of Benin, and some Enigies. The state government has no hand in the matter and is also being sued by the Enigies. I think I should make you understand that we, the state government, are defendants in this matter. I'm sure those of you that were in court today would have known that, seen that. The case with suit number B/29005/2023 is between His Royal Highness Professor Gregory Udorogo Akenzo, the Enogie of Erobano Saskashabuku, and His Royal Highness Edomoni Idoze Ogiagbe, the Enogie of Ogiagbe Sibuko, against the Oba Eware II, the Oba of Benin, and the state government, who are defendants in the suit. It is sad and painful that the matter, which is essentially among brothers, are degenerated to the point of litigation. The government hereby appeals to all parties in the matter, being blood brothers, blood relatives, to work together and withdraw the matter from the court and begin a process of dialogue towards the amicable resolution of the issues in the interest of the sanctity of our most respected traditional institution. The government is also open to working with all parties for a peaceful resolution of the dispute. Our date, the Edo State government has no hand in the Oba Enigies suit. We are defendants, just like our revered monarch, we are defendants in this matter. And we also understand that the sentiment that goes with it, and that is why we are calling on the parties to reach an amicable resolution to withdraw this case from court. I'm not bothered to read the suit because I'm not a lawyer. I'm the Commissioner for Communication for the State Government. We've seen a lot of things going on, flying around in social media, and people have made up all sorts of stories, indicting or trying to indict or get the state government involved in this process. So we need to clarify something. We are defendants in the matter. The Commissioner for Justice will be in a better position to tell you why they drag us in as defendants. But the state government thinks this is unnecessary. We believe that issues, especially amongst blood relatives, and then also when it involves a revered monarch, should be treated very seriously and delicately. So the people are saying we should have brought out a statement much earlier, but it was unnecessary for us to bring our statement much earlier because we need people to know, at least in court today, those of you in court, you will have seen that we were read out as defendants. We need that to be established for people to know the truth. But of course, it's the political season. Many politicians that have nothing to campaign with think they can drive or ride with this kind of thing. But the state government and the royal institution have a very robust relationship, and we don't think lies or propaganda will damage that. But I do people need to know. They need people to know. We hold our revered royal father in very, very high esteem, and we want this issue resolved out of court, and we are prepared as a government to be part of the peaceful resolution to help in resolving this dispute.